actually kind of surprised your car has seatbelts, honestly.
I just kind of.
I don't think. I was gonna say I don't think they kind of fit somebody that's like like me. So
yeah, I don't really care for them.
Cool. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. Do you have a special route you go?
No, I mean whatever you want to do. Yeah, just go around the block or something if you don't mind. Just
sure.
Check it out. I really like the tight headliner that you used.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
It's not like the normal whatever.
No, it's not. I didn't even realize it was a manual.
Oh yeah, it's a Chevy S10 5-speed.
Is it really?
Yeah.
No
they
fucking
make an
way.
adapter to the flatheads.
No way. A Chevy S10 manual. No shit. Wow, that's crazy. Big difference, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's so much quieter. It just sounds. You get the best of both worlds. It's kind of quiet.
Because this thing's like not loud really at all.
No.
the rhythm and treble.
Yeah, that's something I kind of came up with, and I had to incorporate it.
Did you just wake up in the middle of the night? You're like, this would be fucking cool.
Yeah.
If I put a rhythm in a treble. Oh, you saw it on a guitar, and you're like, I need that.
Yeah, I did. I was playing a guitar, and I'm like, man, the different sounds, you know. And then it was like,
that's awesome.
The two worlds collided right there.
That's so cool. I feel like this is the type of vehicle where you could go through this thing for like hours and find all these little things that you like kind of put your like heart and soul into, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of hidden details. I kind of like it that way, where you got to kind of dig for it, you know?
Yeah.
It's not like in your face, shiny car, you know?
Yeah.
You're
Well, this
drawn
is
to it more than.
Yeah, and this is like a physical representation of you, right?
Yeah, exactly. Dirty on the outside, but beautiful on the inside.
Like a butterfly.
Right.
Above the hood, so they're like look really cool, but they're not like blocking your view and you can't see or something like that.
Yeah. I kind of wanted to replicate a